Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Darren and today I'll be showing you how to make aloe vera oil. So stay tuned. So before we go right into that, I'm just going to list few of the so many benefits of aloe vera. It removes dandruff. It helps to cleanse the scalp. It has nourishing properties, it nourishes the hair follicles, it boosts hair growth and all of that stuff. We know aloe vera is like one of the natural conditioners of the hair, and like infusing it as an oil is actually really good. So normally, like, the best combo to go for this is coconut oil, because I've been using like coconut oil so much on this channel, and I know there are like some people that react to coconut oil, or coconut oil is not like the best for their hair. So I'll be using a more general type of oil this time around, which is olive oil. And if you have coconut oil, of course you can go ahead and use coconut oil. It's actually the best for this one. But I'm going to be using olive oil and aloe vera, and these are the two only ingredients I'll be using in this video to make aloe vera oil. So I hope you stay tuned. In the meantime, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So here's the aloe vera I'll be working with. Right now I'm going to try and remove as much water contact as possible, because water likes spoils stuff. So I'll just cut it into smaller pieces, then clean them thoroughly. So transferring to my blender, I'll cut into much more smaller sizes. Then we cut into much more smaller amounts, and now I'm going to just add my olive oil to cover every single one of it. So after it's going for a bit, I'm going to transfer it into my container and leave it there to properly infuse for some hours. Here's where I'm gonna put it. Seriously, I'm gonna come back later after a few hours, and it's almost ready. So we've come to the end of this video, and I personally think that this is going to actually replace my daily scalp oil. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be trying this out, and thank you so much for watching my video. Watch out for next ones. Bye.